Hello guys, welcome to Amobi YouTube channel. If you are an Android user and your device stucks on Google verification screen, then it's not easy to bypass the FRP. So in today's video I'll discuss about how you can easily bypass the FRP without computer or OTG. Here in the first method, open settings of your device, then go to accounts and backup option, and here you'll find all the accounts. Select the account and then hit the three-dot option. Then hit remove account option and it may ask for the screen password. Here firstly download the Droid Kit on PC/Mac and then select FRP bypass. Then connect your device to the computer, then press the start button. The configuration file will be prepared for your device, then tap on Start to bypass to continue. Then follow the instructions shown here to put your device in recovery mode. And it asks for your Android version and then hit the next button. Then follow the instructions to wipe cache partition and click next option. Finally, follow steps in Droid Kit to go to Samsung factory mode and click reset. Finally, the bypass will be completed, and your device will be restarted. So thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any query.